Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Your First Machine Learning Model, Predicting the Future Simply. Imagine teaching a computer to learn from examples, just like you learn from experience. That's machine learning. As a developer, this opens up a world where your apps can do amazing things. Predict what users want, understand speech, or even drive cars. Forget magic. Think smart code that gets smarter over time, adapting and improving without needing you to write a new rule for every single scenario. Traditionally, we write code with explicit rules. If X, then Y. But what if the rules are too complex? Are constantly changing? ML lets computers figure out the rules by looking at tons of examples. Think of it like teaching a child. You don't give them a rulebook for cat, you show them many pictures of cats until they recognize one themselves. ML models learn these intricate patterns directly from data, making them incredibly powerful for complex problems. Every ML model needs data to learn, just like a student needs textbooks and examples. This data could be numbers, like house sizes, text, like customer reviews, images, like cat photos, or sounds. For a developer, this often means collecting, cleaning, and preparing data. We call this data pre-processing, making sure our fuel is clean, organized, and ready for the engine. For example, predicting house prices needs data like size, location, and previous sale prices. Once we have our data, we choose a model. Think of a model as a special kind of empty brain or a sophisticated calculator designed to find specific types of patterns. It's not yet smart, but it has the asterisk potential to become smart. As developers, we select the right type of brain, e.g., a linear regression model for simple number predictions, depending on what we want to predict and the nature of our data. This is where the magic happens. We feed our prepared data into the model, along with the correct answers. E.g., this house with these features actually sold for $300,000. The model then tries to find the hidden relationships between the features and the answers. It makes a guess, checks how wrong it was, and then adjusts itself slightly, repeating this process thousands or millions of times. It's like endlessly practicing a math problem until you consistently get the right answer. After training, our model is ready. It has learned the patterns from all the data it processed. Now, when you give it new, unseen data, e.g., details of a new house that hasn't sold yet, it uses the patterns and relationships it learned during training to make a prediction. It's no longer guessing, it's making an educated estimate based on its vast experience with the training data. For developers, this means integrating the trained model into your application to provide smart, predictive features. Let's imagine we want to predict a house's price. 1. Data. We gather past house sales data, size, number of bedrooms, location, and their actual sale prices. 2. Model. We choose a simple ML model, like linear regression, that's good at finding relationships between numbers. 3. Train. We show the model thousands of examples of houses and their prices. The model learns how size, bedrooms, etc. influence the price. 4. Predict. Now, you input details of a new house, and your trained model will output a predicted price. Congratulations! That's your first step into building predictive AI. Understanding ML isn't just for data scientists anymore. As developers, knowing these core concepts empowers you to build smarter applications, integrate AI features seamlessly, and even debug ML-powered systems. You're not just writing code that follows instructions. You're writing code that learns, adapts, and intelligently responds to the world. opening up endless possibilities for innovation in your projects and career. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.